Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to register to my channel. That way you do not miss out on anything you need to do to scale your cleaning to six figures and beyond. We want to take our cleaning businesses to a whole nother level. Now, every Sunday, I like to designate one of my videos to those of you that are looking to do government cleaning as far as federal government contracts. So every Sunday, I make sure I give you something that you can go on and make your week a lot better, get closer to getting those big, fat, juicy cleaning contracts with the federal government. So I've been getting a lot of questions on what's required with the notarization letter, notarizing this letter for doing business in SAMS. Now, SAMS is your Systems for Award Management. It is an absolute requirement. You cannot do business with the federal government without being registered in SAMS. As a matter of fact, you can't do any certifying or anything. So if you're trying to do set-asides and you're not registered with SAMS, that's what you're going to receive, a big fat no. You can't go any further. So this letter was actually having to have a notarized letter was thought up from GSA, which is General Service Administration, for an extra layer of security. So they want, if you were renewing or registering your business in SAMS, you had to have this notarized letter. And about a year ago is when they started it, and they made it so that you had to have the notarized letter before you could gain access to your SAMS account. So just imagine all these individuals that are trying to do business with the federal government, and then all of a sudden everything's coming in and they can't gain access because they're inundated with all these letters. So the Federal Service Desk decided that what they were going to do was still make sure that if you registered or renewed, you had to have your letter. But what they decided to do was allow you 60 days from the date of registration to submit this letter that was notarized in order for you to do business. Now, if you actually want a copy of the letter, then make sure you sign up for my How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts. In this particular course, we have a template that you can easily download. It's automatically, boom, you've got it. So if you're interested in that, this is what we cover in the class. There is a template that we give to you. The class is free, and our goal is to teach you everything you need to do, the step by step by step on what you need to do to actually scale your business utilizing federal government contracts, cleaning contracts. So if this sounds like something you'd love to know, all about registering with DUNS, actually getting to the SAMS registry, there's another profile that we help you create that really scales your business, how to build the relationships with the contracting buyers, your capability statement, and on and on and on until you get to where you know what you're doing. Should you bid? Should you not on the solicitation? What and how to read a solicitation and all of that. If you're interested in all of that and more, then make sure you register for How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts. Okay. So make sure you click the link. It's live. We have a ball. And I make sure we do a Q&A session after the presentation. So if this sounds like something would be a good fit for you and you've been going back and forth on what should you do, how to learn, what not to do, what to do, then make sure that you take the time to learn all you can. It's coming up into a brand new year, 2021. There's so many things that are going to be changing, but one thing that's constant, there's going to be money in federal government for our NICS code, which is 561720. That's one of ours. So in the janitorial industry, this is an absolute great fit for you. So if you'd love to know more about really how to get off the fence, get into the game, and as I always say, playtime is over and no more excuses, then make sure you do that. This letter is something that people have been confused about. Now, if you've already renewed and there's no changes, you do not have to do anything with the letter. Now, what is the letter? The letter is an actual letter that authorizes one person in your entity to make changes to your SAMS registration. That is what this letter is. And so that's why it's so important. So like I said, if you're new, this notarized letter is, I have a template. You actually can download the template. All you need to do is we actually have it as a part of our class that we teach, the masterclass on how to win big in federal government cleaning contracts. So if you'd be interested in that template and so much more, then like I said, click the link to register for our upcoming class. Love to see you there. And that should solve a little bit of the confusion on what you need and what you don't. Now, actually, like I said, if you're renewing and there's not been any changes, then you do not have to. One time they had everyone, renewals or new registrations had to do it. Now it's just if you're a new registrant, you have to make sure that you actually send this letter, get it notarized, send it in to the particular desk. And then that way the Federal Service Desk, the FSD, and it has to be there 60 days after you've registered so you can still have access to your SAMS account. So if you'd like to know more, you can also reach out to us anytime at 407-595-1598. Once again, 407-595-1598. If you're really ready to get started with federal government cleaning contracts, then let us help you with that. And we'd love for you to join our masterclass. And if you have any other questions, please reach out to us at 407-595-1598. I've been doing this for over 25 years. I've been fortunate to have so many contracts in the federal space and in the private space, and I would love to share that knowledge with you. So come to our free masterclass to learn all that and more. And until next time, be safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.